In a significant political milestone, Himanta Biswa Sarma has officially taken his oath as a member of the Assam Legislative Assembly. This marks his 6th consecutive term representing the people of the Chalukbari constituency, cementing his long-standing tenure in state governance. Expressing his gratitude on X, Sarma stated that he is truly humbled by the continued trust placed in him by his constituents. Meanwhile, Assam witnessed a major political and administrative spectacle on Tuesday, May 12, as Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma took oath for a 2nd consecutive term at a grand ceremony held at the Kanapara Veterinary College Field in Guwahati, marking what was described as the beginning of the NDA 3.0 era in the state. Along with Sarma, several ministers including Ramesh Varteli, Atul Bora, Charan Boro and Ajanta Nayok also took oath as members of the new Council of Ministers. According to an official statement, the swearing-in ceremony turned into one of the largest political gatherings ever witnessed in Northeast India, reflecting Assam's growing prominence on the national stage.
মই শ্ৰী হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই অসম বিধানসভাৰ সদস্য নিৰ্বাচিত হোৱাত ঈশ্বৰৰ নামত শপত খাই কওঁ যে বিধিৰ দ্বাৰা স্থাপনা কৰা ভাৰতৰ সংবিধানৰ প্ৰতি মই প্ৰকৃত বিশ্বাস আৰু নিষ্ঠা পোষণ কৰিম। মই ভাৰতৰ প্ৰভুত্ব আৰু অখণ্ডতা অক্ষুণ্ণ ৰাখিম আৰু মই গ্ৰহণ কৰিব ধৰা কৰ্তব্য শ্ৰদ্ধাপূৰ্বক নিৰ্বাহন কৰিম।